Hey guys, today we're gonna eat pizza. You wanna see the pizza? I can eat a couple of it, but not that much. Best pizzas? Yeah, but today we're gonna do the first pizza. Not on such a big bag, but we'll try it out. And this is my favorite flavor. I know my hair's showing up. Why is it showing up? But we're just doing this. We're not talking about my hair. The flavor is just so good. You need to sit right now. Like this is so good. You should buy this. Sorry, guys, if my mom had a long time. He just only let me do small videos. Like the drum video you saw. But it's night time. I can't say it if you want to say. Come. See, it's actually dark time. See? We're playing Nine Nights in the Forest. Put your camera. I'm just doing a video, Mom.
Do you want a water?
Yes. But Mom, I sorry this is a long video.
Do you want the cereal stuff?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Oh, mate, that's a great answer. Step close to home chase. Well, that is a great answer. Okay, here we go. 84 grand. 2 chances to get into each first. I think described as ultra is what? A, boring, B, brief, C, bizarre. You put bizarre. Ultra, out there? Bizarre. Out there? Got a bit, surely. Ultra, out there.
I didn't know it Fulton. He's a YouTuber, but I am his fan. So make sure to like and subscribe to me. What's that blue thing? What's that? Is there anything wrong here? Yeah.
Introducing the Aventon Abound LR. Now featuring AC technology, making it the perfect companion for your daily adventures. Whether it's delivery drop-offs, grocery runs, or Sunday fun day,
Okay. Strange.
and with special you can keep the party going all day.
Alright guys, yeah. We done the pizza. Like Just need to finish this.
Son, do you want anything? I'm going to get Lena something.
Well, today I come but I want nothing though.
You can make a video.
Yeah. But Mom, can I post it? But it's long.
Do you want me to make you cereal too? Or are you full?
Okay.
Do you want the cereal too?
Bye guys.